What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys checking this video out. But today I am getting ready to head to a friend of mine's shop, and we are going to install these bad boys. BMR drag springs. Definitely should help with some weight transfer, and it'll actually lower the car a little bit, give it a nice aggressive stance, and especially once I put a nice drag setup on this car, it'll really come together. It'll really look good. So we're gonna get ready to go over there and knock this out. Hopefully everything goes right. But big shout out to my buddy Jason. If you want, check out his shop, J Biggs Performance. If you're local and you need some work done, don't hesitate to hit him up. He's a great guy, always ready to help me out. And so yeah, we're gonna go over there and hopefully get, some video of it. So let's go. Also, just as I was about to leave, UPS pulls up and my UPR care package shows up. I can't thank those guys enough. Really happy to be working with them. But sent me a nice suspension for this car. We can get it to 60, get it to launch, get it to put the power down, and it should be great. It should be a lot of fun. But sent me a Pro Series double adjustable toe link kit, billet IRS braces, Pro Series vertical link, and what is this? Pro Series camber arms, along with something in here. I haven't opened that yet, but really excited to get that stuff on. Big shout out to UPR products. Thank you so much, guys, and I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to get the suspension on this car, get this thing hooking, get this thing 60-footing like it should, and then really throw some power at it later down the road, and hopefully get my 9-second pass. Like I said, 9s isn't really that crazy anymore, but it's something that I've always wanted, and I feel like this car should be able to do it with some boost, and it should be a really fun street car. So big thank you to UPR. With their help, I'm definitely going to get my 9-second slip. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, because once this thing's making the power that I want it to, 9 should be very attainable. So next thing I'll mention in driveline would be a one-piece drive shaft. Whether I want to go with carbon fiber or aluminum, I'm not too sure yet. But obviously there's a huge price difference, so that'll affect my decision too. But we'll see. I'm going to get that too, so I can get rid of this 2-piece drive shaft, and everything should be pretty good after that. So thank you again to UPR products. Make sure you guys check them out. If you have a Mustang and you need suspension parts, or you need catch can kits, I also run that on this car. You can check that video out too on the channel. But make sure you check them out at UPR products, or just uprproducts.com. Really great people, fast shipping, great prices, and the best suspension you can buy. Just opened some of the packages from UPR, and all I got to say is, damn, these things look great. Almost too good. I don't even want to put them on the car. I mean, they're going on anyway, but these things are pretty. Let's check them out. All billet. Love it. Nice IRS braces, toe links, camber arms. Oh, man. The quality is unreal. Definitely check these guys out. All right, guys, getting ready to head out to my buddy's shop and get some of this stuff put on. So let's head out. And of course, it's raining. It's soaked up here. Shitty weather, but I can't do nothing about it. So little rain never hurt no car, so it'll be all right. Let's head out. See how it sits.
Yeah, 2x4.
Oh yeah.
Something here on the.
All right, guys, just left J Biggs Performance. I wanted to give a huge thank you to them. They really helped me out with this and knocked the install out of the park. Just totally killed it, and I really appreciate them. If you guys are local to Delaware, make sure you check them out. J Biggs Performance. He doesn't have an Instagram yet. I'm gonna try to get him an Instagram, but I'll put his phone number up here. You can contact him if you guys have any questions or any work that you guys want to get done to your cars. Anything performance or just general routine maintenance, definitely give him a shot. He's a good friend of mine, and he just started his own shop, and he's trying to, get business going. So I like helping out friends, especially with their own business. So really cool working with them. So like I said, make sure you check them out. But so far, first drive with the car, it feels really solid. The rear feels really planted. No more wheel hop, and it's raining right now. And I floored it back there, and it just spun. It just, went straight. It was awesome. So I really like it. And let's see how it feels on the way home. I got about a 20-25 minute ride home. I know I'm going to need to get in alignment. I'm going to try to get that done this following week coming up. To get the caster and the camber and everything straight. So let's head home, and I'll show you guys how it looks dropped on the BMR drag springs too. Looks really good. Now I just need to get a set of welds or something on this car. Really gonna set it off and make it look really good. So let's head home. All right, guys, just pulled over so I can show you guys how it's sitting with the BMR drag springs. And I really like the stance that it has right now. Really looks aggressive. And like I said, once I get some welds on it or some kind of drag ram on here, it'll really set it off. Really look good. You can definitely see how much lower it is in the front, and it gives it that rake appearance in the rear. It definitely looks really good. Really happy with it. Hell yes. All right, guys, just got back home. Really happy with this suspension setup on this car. I just can't wait to get some welds on it or some kind of drag setup on it, like I always keep saying. But it's really going to set this thing off. And once I add more power, it's all going to come together. It's all going to be a nice little package. So I can't wait for it, and I'm really excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of a boring one, but that's all I pretty much have for you so far with this weather being so shitty. But make sure, if you did hit this button, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out for more videos, because I got a lot of cool stuff planned. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this car. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff with it, and I appreciate it if you guys follow along. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day, and I'll catch you guys next time.